Do you want to tell me about what you're making?
Yes. My making some marshmallows.
You're making marshmallows?
Mm-hmm.
Show me. Oh yes, you're making marshmallows. What are you going to do with it?
Put it away.
Are you putting them all on the pan?
Yes. Traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Mommy's family road trip. It's on the mommy's phone.
You found a recipe on Mommy's phone?
Yes.
And you're going to try it?
Yes.
All right, what do we do first?
That.
What?
That.
That thing?
Yes.
That thing is chocolate.
Chocolate.
All right, what do we do with the chocolate?
And so then scratch. Then pull them off. Then squeeze them really hard and
What just happened to that chocolate? Hey, are we baking cookies with it?
no.
What are we doing with it? How are we going to make cookies? I think we're trying to make some cookies.
No. No. No.
Alright, first we put the graham crackers down.
Oh, this one is broken.
How did that happen? How did it get broken?
Let's fix it.
Those will fix it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
What you mean?
Are you fixing it?
Pick, Mommy,
What?
go for it.
How do you want me to fix it?
Squeeze it and more dough.
What is it you're doing?
Do add my this.
Now what? Is the chocolate fixed?
No.
You didn't fix it? How did it get broken like that? How did that happen? Are you going to put marshmallows on your shirt?
No.
Alright, let's make these cookies.
No. No.
Alright, first we put down graham crackers. And then what do we need to put on top?
Those.
Okay, go ahead.
No. Those on me.
It's on you?
Yes.
Are you sticky?
Yes. And I wash myself.
Okay, you wash yourself.
Oh. Yeah.
All right, now you're ready to make some cookies. All right, first, what do we do? First we do the graham crackers, and then we put chocolate on top.
No, not chocolate.
We put down the graham crackers and the chocolate. Don't know what happened to that one. Do you know what happened to this one? What happened?
I'm broken.
It's broken. All right, then we break apart a marshmallow, stick it on top, and then we put a cookie on top.
Oh, cool!
Just like that.
Make a cookie on top.
Yep, you can make a cookie on top. All right, put a cookie on top. And then we're going to bake it.
Okay.
Halfway done.
Mommy!
Right, those cookies are done and they look delicious. We'll try them in a minute. The problem with them is they are huge, with half of the candy bar, a marshmallow, and cookie dough. So we're going to try to make smaller ones.
Yeah.
All right, put the chocolate and the marshmallow in there.
Ew.
Put them in the cookie. And wrap it all up.
Uh-oh.
And squish it all together. That's tricky for 2-year-old fingers, isn't it? Can I help?
Oh, I need more. Oh, here's more. Make it.
Without filters or regulator or anything.
Here.
Thank you.
Doesn't seem like it's really
Yay.
that much better.
That's still huge.
More. And
Those still look enormous, so we're trying a quarter marshmallow with chocolate. Alright, so the quarter marshmallows are about half the size of the whole big thing, so we'll cook those up and see how they turn out. How are they going to be?
bubbles. Goat. Something.
Alright, you want to taste this big one?
Yeah.
How does it taste?
Good.
Alright, let's let Daddy try some.
Thanks. That's delicious.
Is the marshmallow gooey inside?
Mm-hmm. That's excellent.
Break it in half. Let's see what's inside.
Hey! Go! Go!
That's nice and gooey. Just like a s'more.
Try it.
Alright, these ones came out of the oven. This is a huge cookie. So I'd say these smaller ones are more, or a better size for eating. We're going to let them cool down a little bit and then we'll give them a try. Alright, give them a try. How are they?
Delicious. Delicious. Bye-bye.